I know. I know, guys, you guys are going to crucify me. I know. Just hold it. Don't say anything. Just take a moment to see how sleek my hair is laying. Like, can't you feel this hair? Okay, so let's go to the matter of today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing, commenting and liking. If you just see my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel, so we can all enjoy this ride together. You know what I'm saying. Anyway, so today's video is on the hair. It's a very simple updo. So if you want to see how I create this hair look, it's actually inspired by Chicnatural. So if you want to see how I recreate her own style in my own way, don't go anywhere. Keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. This hair tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the tools. I'm going to be using a toothbrush, the Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel, Eco Styler, a picker comb, a big comb, and a hairbrush, a pack of extensions, crochet needles, and that's it. So the first thing I want to do is just to quickly comb my hair, pack it up, and just to check the weight of the hair. Then I'm going to be doing a side part from my right side. I think this is my right side or left side. I really can't remember. So I'm just going to be parting the front of my hair, like round, just a little part for the first layer of the hair. So I'm just going to be parting it like so. Just watch what I'm doing anyway. In case the lines are not straight, please don't murder me, don't crucify me. I'm not really a fan of straight hairs. So I'm just trying to get the hair straight and all smoothing out. Then I'm going to just pack it together and keep it. I'm going to be parting close to my ear side, taking it round to the other end of my ear. So from one ear down to the other side of my ear, I pack it, then it's left to the back. So I'm just going to show you how the part looks like. So I just cut my hair into 3 different parts. I wanted to do 4, but I thought against it. So I'm just going to pack this, take a small Eco Styler gel just to smoothen the sides, then use a rubber band to hold the hair together. So this is what the hair basically looks like. So I'm just going to be smoothing and combing the middle parts and using an Eco Styler as well for the sides, just to smoothen the hair and to hold the hair. This hair tutorial is very easy and very easy and less stressful. So I'm just using my toothbrush to brush it together and to smoothen my edges and the other sides of the hair. So I'm going to be repeating the same step for the other side basically. So I'm going to be using the rubber band to hold my hair together. So I'm going to be loosening the front. I'm going to be quickly combing it. I just noticed that it won't give me the kind of volume I want, so I'm going to be crocheting some extensions into my hair. So I'm just going to pat it a little bit and create like just 2 lines of weave. I'm just going to weave like 2 lines for the crochet I'm going to do. So I'm just trying to weave the hair I don't need so that I can get out of the way. So I'm going to be starting with the first line. I'm going to weave this real quick down to the second line, and that's it. So I'm going to be taking the expression braids and crocheting it into my hair. It was a bit of a struggle because the last time I crocheted my hair was last year April, yes, or last 2 years. In fact, I can't remember the last time I did a crochet, so it was a struggle for me. I had already forgotten how to do crochet, but I was able to manage. So I'm just going to be crocheting maybe like 5 strands of hair into this already weaved hair. So I'm going to the second line of the hair. I'm going to crochet the hair extensions into it. So I'm just going to cut it so it gets to the level of my hair just a bit. So I'm going to be loosening everything and trying to comb the hair all together, brush it all together, and pack it up. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be adding a little Snot Gorilla Gel on my edges. This is not to do any baby hair, it's just to smoothen it. It's not like I need it anyways. My hair is totally relaxed. So I'm just going to be braiding this in front. I'm just going to be braiding the front. I did a tight weave initially, but I realized that it made the volume too small, so I had to loosen the braids. I had to make it a bit loose so that it could give me more volume on my hair. So I'm just going to twist the end of the hair and attach it to the middle part I made. I didn't really like the way the hair turned out, so I kept on readjusting and readjusting, especially for the front. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my hair extension and wrapping it around the middle with a rubber band. I'm taking a little strand of hair and I'm going to be wrapping it around the knot, just to camouflage the knot anyway, so that people will know how I was able to tie with a rubber band. So I'm just going to quickly wrap that up round. Then I'm going to start to braid. I'm going to part the hair into 3 and start to braid it. So the braids, I'll start to weave it down anyway, so it wasn't too tight. It wasn't too tight and it wasn't too loose. So I'm just going to be braiding the weaving the top and also coming down to join it to the last knot I made. So I had to turn my back so that I'd be able to see what I am doing. Hair extension gave me a bit of trouble, but I was able to overcome. So I'm just trying to braid the mouth. So guys, this is what the hair looks like at the back, and this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye guys.